In a home garden like mine, I have lots of plants planted in sacks. But one of the challenges of planting in sack is that after a few years, like a year or two, some of the sacks start giving way, and then you may have to change it out, even though there are plants in there. So that's one of the challenges I've found with planting in sacks. And today I want to show you how I replaced the sack with a better sack and the kind of sacks that are stronger and more durable for sack planting, for sack gardening. Welcome again to my channel. This is Mary of Mireju Gardens. You're welcome again to my channel. On this channel, I share with you tips and hacks with small space gardening. I share with you how to grow your own food. Grow fresh vegetables organically within your own space. If you want to learn about gardening, if you want to learn about planting your own food, planting your own vegetables, you want to subscribe to the channel right away, click the subscribe button down below the video and turn on the notification so you don't get to miss any new uploads from me. I release new videos every Wednesdays and every Saturday. So you want to stay tuned to the channel so you don't get to miss nothing from here. Also, like the video and share with friends. I appreciate your support in growing this channel. Thank you. These sacks that I used at the time, initially when I was starting out, were not the strong type. These were general market sacks and Lafarge cement sacks. I found that Lafarge cement sacks are not as strong compared to the Dangote cement sacks when gardening with sacks. So I've had to change these Lafarge cement sacks to the Dangote cement sacks. If you look around my garden, you see I have more of that Dangote cement sacks now. So I removed the topsoil and the soil around the base of the soil so that I could carry the ginger plant itself as a whole. Yeah, and then put it in the new sack without damaging the roots, without damaging the stems, so that I could just change it out and have a new sack that's more durable. You wash your hands. It's just like crafting. Whenever you're working with the soil, your hands get dirty. So after you're done, you wash it and you take a bath and you clean again. So don't think too much about getting your hands dirty when you're gardening. In fact, when you touch the soil with your bare hands, it's a process called grounding. You're connecting with the earth, with the soil. And it's the same thing like when you walk barefooted on the grass or on the soil. There's a chemistry that goes on with that helps you feel healthier. It draws out things that are not good for you from your body in that process. So it's a good process touching the soil with your hands. I actually enjoy doing that. So over the course of time, I've realized that in order to have a durable sack, you need to select carefully. When selecting the sack itself, be sure to check it out to ensure that it doesn't have holes that could enlarge very quickly and it could wear out within a short period. So you have to consider some of these tips when gardening with sacks. I usually get this emptied cement sack in ongoing construction sites, buildings around my area where people are building houses and then they use cement and they empty the cement out and then I use the sack. I wash it out, I dry them and I use them for containing my soil. To my non-Nigerian audience, so there are two main brands of cement makers in Nigeria. We have the Lafarge and we have the Dangote. So those are the emptied out sacks that I'm talking about. Cement that I use in constructing, buildings around my area where people are building houses and then they use cement and they empty the cement out and then I use the sack. I wash it out, I dry them and I use them for containing my soil. Some of these things I didn't know when I was starting out, so I thought to give out this information to new beginners and even some more experienced gardeners will benefit from this information. As you can see, this old sack is completely torn, worn, and completely gone, which is why I had to replace it. The benefits of gardening with sack is that they are easy for me to find, so they are cheap to get, don't cost as much as raised beds or all these other methods. I've come to also appreciate rice bags as strong bags for planting. They're quite big and strong and durable for sack planting. I hope you find this video useful, and if you do, kindly click the like button and share with your friends. And if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, the subscribe button is down below this video. Click and turn on the notification. Until the next video, thank you so much for watching.